In today's video, we are going to cover how to add a service in Xero. Start by logging in to your Xero account. Once you are in, look for the business menu in the top navigation, then select Products and Services. If your Xero layout does not show business, open Products and Services from the navigation or menu that is available in your version. The goal here is to get to the list where Xero stores the items you use for purchasing and selling. When the Products and Services page opens, click New Item. This opens the form for creating a new entry. Since you are adding a service, you will fill in the item details without enabling inventory tracking. Begin with the code field, enter a unique code for the service. This code helps identify the item in your records, so make sure it does not duplicate an existing one. After that, enter the service name. Use the name you want to appear when you select this service in transactions. Next, leave track inventory item unchecked. That setting is for items you count in stock, and in this case you are creating a service instead of tracked inventory. Keeping that box clear ensures the item is set up the right way. If you purchase this service from suppliers, keep purchase selected. In the purchase section, enter the cost price, then choose the correct purchase account and tax rate. Add the description for the service as well. This is the information Xero will use when the service appears on purchase transactions, so it is worth checking that each field matches how you want the service recorded. If you also sell the service to customers, keep Sell selected. In the Sell section, enter the sale price, then choose the appropriate sales account and tax rate. Add a description for the service in this section too. Make sure you select the correct sales account before continuing, since that determines how the income is categorized in your books. As you complete the form, you may notice that the purchase and sell sections can contain different pricing, account selections, and descriptions. That is normal, and it allows the service to behave properly on both sides of your transactions. The key detail is that the service name and code identify the item, while the purchase and sell settings control how it is used in Xero. Once all of the fields are entered, review the details one more time, then click Save. Xero will create the service and add it to your products and services list, where it can be used in the transactions that match the settings you entered. Your new service is now saved in Xero and ready to use for purchases and sales.